Hi, I'm Greg Martin. I'm part of the team that helped to design and develop the student online application for recruiting interns, fellows, and scholars, also known as SOLAR. SOLAR is an online application where students can visit to search for and apply to opportunities being offered by NASA. I'm going to show you how to register for an account, fill out a student interest profile, and complete your student application. So let's get started. For the purposes of this video, we will not be filling out information for many of the fields. Rather, we will be providing an overview. This is the SOLAR homepage. This page contains information about the SOLAR system, instructions for new students, and important dates to remember. There are also links to find out about basic eligibility for student applications such as internships, fellowships, and scholarships. If you are a returning user, click on the Current Student User Login button. Or, if this is your first time using the site, click on the First Time Users Registration button to register for an account. The registration page allows you to enter in contact and account information. You'll notice that some of the fields have a help icon beside them. Clicking on the icon will give you more information about the specific field. The required fields on the page are indicated by a red asterisk. To begin, enter your first and last name. It should be noted that U.S. citizenship is a requirement to apply for opportunities in SOLAR. Next, enter your permanent address. Then, enter a temporary address if applicable. Next, you'll enter in 2 phone numbers, one home phone number and a secondary number. Next, you will enter in your email address. Your primary email address will be your login ID for the SOLAR system. Then, you will have to create a password. Refer to the password requirements on the right for more information. Then you'll enter in information about your college or university. There are 2 ways to select your college or university. First, you can start by entering the college name, and as you type, the college list will populate beneath the field. Or, you can use the Find Institution button to search for your institution. You can search by name, city, or state. After you enter the search criteria, select the Search Institution button and select the institution from the list below. Then, choose a degree level at the time the opportunity will begin, then an academic discipline or major, and finally, a planned graduation date of the current degree. Once you have completed all the information on the registration page, select the Register button. Once you register, this page will appear as your home page. It serves as a dashboard so you can quickly see information about opportunities you're interested in and opportunities that you've applied to. If you need more help, select the Getting Started link. Or, to update your registration information, click the Update Registration Information link. This is the Interest Profile page. The Interest Profile page serves 3 purposes. First, you can define default search criteria for when you're ready to search for opportunities. Second, you can configure a schedule of notifications about your opportunities to be sent to you via email. Third, it allows you to enter in more information that will help mentors find you. To start, select the highest education level attained at the time the opportunity would start. It should be noted that freshman through senior refers to college and not high school. Next, select the opportunity type you are interested in applying for. This could be internships or fellowships. Next, select 1 or up to 10 NASA centers or facilities. If you do not know which NASA facility you'd like to work at, or if you do not have a preference, leave this field blank. Select up to 4 sessions you are interested in working. This could be spring, summer, fall, or year-long. It should be noted that fellowships are considered to be year-long opportunities. Now you can select 1 or up to 10 areas of interest. These disciplines do not necessarily need to be related to your academic major. Next, supply a list of keywords for the opportunities you are interested in. Finally, you can select the schedule for emails to be sent to you when new opportunities are posted. This can be daily, weekly, monthly, or none at all. When you've completed this page, select Save Profile. The My Applications page allows you to complete internship, fellowship, and scholarship applications. Much of the information is similar between the applications, with some additional data required for fellowships and scholarships. In this video, we will take a look at the internship application. The internship application has 6 parts. This page shows the status of each part. All areas must be completed before you can apply to opportunities. Let's begin by looking at the General Information section. The General Information page pulls information from your registration. It also asks you to grant permissions for photographs to be taken while you're working on opportunities. Certain NASA programs require that demographics information be provided to determine eligibility. However, this information is optional, and you may select Decline to Answer. When you've completed the page, you can either save the page or save and continue to the next section. The Educational History section allows you to enter in previous as well as current education institutions. The first time you come to this page, it will pull your current university in as a record. However, there will be fields that are incomplete. To complete them, click the Edit icon. By default, the information that is incomplete will be the attend from date, the education level, and you will need to enter in at least one course and a transcript. You can enter the attend from date. This should be when you started attending the institution, and the education level at the time the internship begins. Next, enter your GPA on a scale of 4.0. Some universities do not have a 4-point scale for a GPA. If you're attending a university where this is the case, select Other, and you could supply more information about how the university handles the GPA. Next, supply a list of courses that you are currently taking. If you need to add more courses than the given fields, select Add More Courses to provide more space. When you've completed this page, select Save Education. Now that your information for the education record has been saved, you can upload an unofficial transcript by clicking the Upload link. To upload a transcript, you can browse for one on your computer. This should be an unofficial transcript, and it is advisable that you remove or block out any personally identifiable information. Once you've selected the transcript, click Upload Transcript. Next, you can add previously attended universities, or move on to the next section. This is the Work Experience page. On this page, you can enter in previous employment by clicking Add Work History. On this page, you can enter in employer name, location, job title, and your dates of employment, and any duties, accomplishments, or related skills. It should be noted that work history can either be a job, volunteer opportunities, or previous NASA internships. Once you've completed the form, select Save Employment Information. The next section is the Letter of Recommendation. This is where you can enter the information for someone you would like to write a letter of recommendation for you. The reference should be a professor, an employer, a coworker, or even a teacher's assistant, but not family members. You can enter multiple references, but only one is required to enter the applicant pool. Enter a first name, last name, the relationship with the reference, a telephone number, and an email address. When finished, click Save or Save and Continue, and an email will automatically be sent to the reference to fill out a letter of recommendation for you. Next is the Additional Information section. Though many of these fields are not required, it is in your best interest to fill out as many of the fields as you can. This is your chance to stand out and explain why NASA should select you for the opportunity. The information you can fill out is related to computer skills, special skills, and why your interests fit with NASA. If you have any NASA-affiliated education experience, enter them here. This can be any work or activities you've done with NASA or related to NASA missions such as an educational activity or an internship. If you need more room, click Add More NASA-affiliated educational activities. When you're finished, click the Save Additional Information button. The final section is your acknowledgement of the terms of acceptance. Once you've read this section, if you agree, click the Acknowledgement checkbox and select the Agree and Submit Application button. After you accept the terms and have a letter of recommendation submitted on your behalf, you can apply for up to 15 opportunities, and NASA mentors will be able to review your application from the applicant pool. We just registered for an account, completed an interest profile, and filled out a student application. In the next video, we'll see how to search for and apply to opportunities. If you need further assistance, use the Need Help link at the top of the page. Thank you.